Everyone asks, how do I play Apex Legends with no finger function? Hey, what's up, everybody? My name is Mike. I go by Mike the Quad. I'm a C6 quadriplegic, a peer mentor, and a video game accessibility advocate. And I love playing shooters and fighting games. And this is how I play Apex Legends. On the Elite controller, the trigger functions are swapped, where the left trigger acts as shooting, and I'll show you how I ADS in a sec. I rest my left palm like this because it's easier for me to access the trigger and the bumper, and because that's how my index finger covers the two buttons. My right palm is placed like this so I could utilize the right stick to look. Now, on the Xbox Adaptive Controller, the left two switches are the up and right D-pad, and this is how I can access my heals and my grenades. The switch right above my left hand is the X button, so I can reload or loot and still be able to move and look. The button to the right of the Xbox Adaptive Controller is the Y button, so I could switch or stow my weapon. And the button next to the Elite controller is how I aim down sights. I utilize the right stick with my right arm and use my right forearm to activate the left trigger. So I can go ahead and get into a resting position, and now I'm ADSing and looking around. The A and B buttons are the two large buttons on the Xbox Adaptive Controller. And this is how I would jump, and this is how I would melee. And this is how I play. Okay, we're over here in the firing range, and I have a weapon, and I just want to go ahead and show you exactly what everything does in real time. So as you can see, if I want to access my grenades, I just press and hold this, and then use my right stick to look around. Same thing with the heals, to look around. If I wanted to jump, I could either use either hand, depending on what I want to do. Say if I wanted to do like that, I could jump. Or if I just wanted to just regular, I could just do that way. Now for melee, that's how I melee. If I wanted to switch my weapon, press the Y button, or if I wanted to stow it, I just press and hold. Now, for the left trigger, as you can see right here, I just rest my forearm, and now I can ADS. And if I wanted to ADS and look and strafe at the same time, I'm able to do that. And then once I wanted to shoot, I can shoot. And that's how I play Apex Legends.